for 7. Today I am starting exercise 1.1. Our first question is, following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius. You will write degree Celsius like that. Degree Celsius of different places on a particular day. Here given a number line and here mention some particular cities. Here written Lahore Spiti and here written Srinagar and here written Simla, Ooty and Bangalore. Okay, this one given number line and particular cities given to you. Now first question is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Observe this number line. You have to look properly this number line. Okay, and write the temperature of places marked on it. आपको number line properly देखना है and places written here. You have to write temperature of these places. So look, I am starting from Simla. 0 here, then you will count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are looking arrow at 5. So temperature of Simla 5 degree Celsius. Okay, you will write here. You can write this one in your book. You will write like that. In front of Simla, you will write 5 degrees Celsius. Now, come in Ooty. Okay, now count from here. Here written 10. 10, 11, 12, 13 and this one 14. So here temperature will be 14 degree Celsius. Temperature of Ooty 14 degree Celsius. Now come in Bangalore. Bangalore here written 20, 20, 21, 22. So temperature of Bangalore will be 22 degrees Celsius. This question you will fill in your book just like that way. Here written 20, 21, 22. You will count like that. Here written 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 degrees Celsius. Here written 5. So temperature of Simla 5 degrees Celsius. And here written 0. Now we are going left side of 0. So look here, 0, -1, -2. This is -2. Temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. You have to count these lines. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -5 here. So after -5, -6, -7, -8. So temperature of Lahore Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius. You have to write just that way in your book and focus how you will count. When we go towards left from 0, so 0, -1, -2. So this one indicating -2. So -2 degrees Celsius. Then -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. This line representing -8. So temperature here -8 degrees Celsius. Now coming here. Here written 5. So temperature here 5 degrees Celsius. Now we are going 0 to right. Toward right we are going. 0 to right we are going. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here written 5. So temperature of Simla will be 5 degrees Celsius. After that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here written 10. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So temperature will be 14, here 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So temperature will be 22 degrees Celsius here. Just that way you have to do this question. Okay. So our question number 1 completed. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So you can tell by observation of this number line, temperature of Lahore is minus 8 degrees Celsius, Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, Simla is 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty is 4 degrees Celsius and Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. So we done our first question. This question done. Now coming second one. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So now we have to do second one. So how we will do our second question? So second question is, what is the temperature difference? Temperature difference between the hottest. Hottest means सबसे ज़्यादा गर्म and the coldest. Coldest means सबसे ठंडा. Places जगह among the above. In given city, which one? Hottest. Hottest city is, so look temperature minus 8 degree, minus 2 degree Celsius, 5 degree Celsius, 14 degree Celsius and this is 22 degree Celsius. So question number B. How we will solve question number B? Okay, this is answer of question number B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest? So temperature of hottest place. Temperature of the hottest place. So what is our hottest place? Look among these temperatures. Which one? Maximum. So this is 22 degrees Celsius. Temperature of the hottest place. And place name is Bengaluru. Bengaluru. And temperature here 22 degrees Celsius. Temperature of the hottest place, that is Bengaluru. Okay. And the coldest place. Temperature of the coldest place. Coldest, look, what integer is minimum here. Minimum integer. If you look integer only, so minus 8 is minimum here. So temperature of Lahore Spiti is minimum here. So that is coldest place. सबसे ठंडी जगह. Coldest means सबसे ठंडा. Hottest means सबसे गर्म. Here highest integer is 22. So that is maximum number. And this one minimum minus 8 degrees Celsius. So we will write temperature of the Lahore Spiti. And temperature here -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, temperature of this place is -8 degrees Celsius. This is minimum temperature here, and this one maximum temperature here. So you will write like that. Now question is difference between the hottest and coldest place. So we have to find out difference between the hottest and coldest place. So we will write difference between the hottest place and the coldest place. So how we will do? This one. Difference here, maximum temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. And minimum temperature, coldest is -8, and you have to find out difference. Difference means subtraction you have to do. Minus and minus sign here, to -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, we will do like that. We will write like that. So look here. After that, how we will write this one? 22 minus, when we will calculate, we will not use unit here, minus 8. Okay, both are same unit, degree Celsius. So minus outside, earlier I told you within bracket there is minus sign. So bracket means multiply minus into minus. When you multiply same sign, so sign being positive, minus into minus plus, and now you will write 8. So temperature will be 22 plus 8. 22 plus 8. So 8 plus 2, 10 here and here 3. So here it will be 30. But we will not write only 30. Here we will write 30 degrees Celsius. And this whole you have to do just that way. Okay. That is solution of second question. Now come in third question. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? This is solution of question number B. You have to do like that. And now we will do C part here. Solution of C. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Temperature difference between Lahore Spiti. Temperature of Lahore Spiti -8 degrees Celsius. minus 8 degree Celsius. Difference means minus sign. And then temperature of Srinagar. Srinagar temperature. This is Srinagar temperature, that is -2. Within bracket you have to write -2 degree Celsius. Okay. Here this is third question. What is the difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? Lahaul Spiti written first. So first we write temperature of Lahaul Spiti, that is -8 degree Celsius. And difference asking, so minus sign. difference का मतलब अंतर, तो माइनस लगाएंगे. And temperature of Srinagar, you can check your chart. Here written Srinagar temperature is -2 degree Celsius. -2 degree Celsius. Now look how we will solve this one. When we do calculation, we will not write unit. So just write -8. Okay, minus within bracket -2 degree Celsius. We will not write unit here. So we can write this one for calculation. We can write this one like that, -2. Okay. Now this one -8. This first one has it minus bracket and inside of bracket also minus. Minus bracket means multiply. Minus into minus. This one being plus. So this one being 2. Minus into minus equals to plus. Minus bracket means multiply, minus. So this one being plus. So now look. 8 has positive sign and this one negative sign. Both are different type of integer. This one positive integer and this one negative integer. So we can add only same type of integer. And if you have different type of integer, so what you will do? You have -8 and here 2. So what you will do? One is plus, one is minus. So how you will calculate? We will do subtraction here. Subtraction just like normal subtraction. How you do 8 minus 2? Just that way you have to solve this one. 8 minus 2 is 6. So here also we will write 6. 8 minus 2 equals to 6. But sign of greater number is 8. So sign will be -6 here. Okay. When you have two different signs, one is positive, other is negative, तो we will do subtraction. जब दो अलग-अलग साइन होंगे तो उनको सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाएगा. And greater to smaller, जैसा आप नॉर्मल सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, same way you have to do. 8 में से 2 माइनस किया, then you get 6. And sign of greater number, नंबर देखें तो 8 is greater than 2. So sign of 8 and sign of it is minus. So this one being -6. Okay. So what we will write here? Answer of this one will be, now we will write with unit -6 degree Celsius. That's your answer of question number C. You will do just that way in your copy. Okay. This is your answer of question number 2. B. This is answer of question number B. And this one answer of question number C. Now, what is your next question? Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla? Okay, we done both question B and C. Now we will do D question. Number D. So question is temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar. What is temperature of Srinagar? -2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. And Simla taken together. And temperature of Simla. Simla temperature is together taking. So we will do plus here. साथ में ले रहे हैं तो प्लस करेंगे. And temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. It means this one plus 5 degrees Celsius. So we can write this one directly 5 degrees Celsius. So here written temperature of Srinagar being -2 degrees Celsius. You are looking here, and temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. If we take these two together, so for calculation how we write? -2 plus 5. This is temperature of Srinagar and this is temperature of Simla. Okay, this is temperature of Srinagar and this is temperature of Simla. Okay, degree Celsius. Now if you have to calculate -2 plus 5, both have different sign. Both have different sign. दोनों में अलग अलग sign है, तो we will do subtraction here. We will do subtraction. This is just like that one. +5 -2. Generally in your childhood, in lower classes you done this one. There are no sign. It means plus. So you can do easily. 5 minus 2. How much? 3. And when you do in lower class 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. Yes, sign of plus. So greater number is plus. So this one also plus. And no need to show plus sign. So we can write this one only 3 also. So your answer will be 3. In lower classes you done 5 plus 5 means no sign here. And minus 2. 5 minus 2 easily you can do. That will be 3. Sign of greater one. Greater is 5 and sign of this is plus. So plus here. And you can write plus only that way. So answer will be 3 degrees Celsius. But that is half part of the question. Left part here written less than the temperature of Simla. This temperature is less than the temperature of Simla. So your answer coming 3 degrees Celsius. Answer coming 3 degrees Celsius and temperature of Simla. Temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. So what we say? 3 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius. This is 3 degrees Celsius and this one 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So temperature of this is temperature of Simla. This one temperature of Simla and this one temperature combined temperature of Srinagar and Simla. When you calculate, you are getting 3 degrees Celsius. So 3 and 5, which one greater? 3 and 5, which one greater? 5 is greater. So 5 degrees Celsius is greater than 3 degrees Celsius. So we can say that temperature of Simla will be greater than the temperature of Srinagar and Simla together. Okay. So, like this way, you have to note this question. Or if you want to write in term of statement, so it can be like that. -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius and here only 5 degrees Celsius. So when you calculate this whole, you are getting 3 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius, and here you are getting 5 degrees Celsius. So which one greater? 5 degrees Celsius is greater. So this whole, this one greater than this whole. Okay. So that's your answer of question number D. Hope you are getting well. So same thing you have to do in your classwork copy. No need to write question in your classwork copy. You just write exercise. You will write exercise 1.1 and then question number 1. A part solution here, B part solution here, C part solution here, and D part solution here. A part you have to fill in your book.